welcome to Unified Study. Here I am doing challenge on behalf of all Unified Study students UGC NET August 2024. So this process will be helpful to all the students, those who are doing this challenge procedure next also or now also. I am showing you live video that is how to do challenge. As you can see, these are the 5 questions I am going to challenge now. This is UGC NET August 2024. Although I am challenging from one student login, I took a login of one particular student who did mistake of this all 5 questions. From our group I searched a lot, and after that I got it. Yes, one student is there who did all mistake. It is easy for me, that's why. So although I am doing it on behalf of you, if they are accepting, then definitely everyone will get benefit. It is not like that if you are not challenging, you will not get the benefit. If they are accepting, then everyone will get the benefit. But still I will suggest that those who are in borderline, in the cutoff, and if you are able to manage the money, you should also go for challenge. And you can get this PDF supportive document from our Telegram channel. You can join the Telegram channel and you can download this PDF and you can go for challenge as per your requirement. Whatever question you did not get marks, if you are thinking yes I will get the marks, then definitely you can do the challenge. Now I am showing you the challenge process. So for the challenge process, first of all you have to log in with your application number and date of birth. Then you will see this type of window where you have to click on this challenge. After clicking on the challenge, you will be redirected to this page. Now one by one I will do the challenge. So the first question I am going to do this one. That is just one by one as per the which question ID is first. I will see that. So it is 728. So 728 is the question ID. Definitely do it very carefully. Okay. So here you can see this is the question ID 728. You can do one thing. You can copy this question ID and you can do Control F, Control V. Yes, this is 728. As you can see, they gave the option 3 as a correct answer. But we are going to challenge for option 4 because option 3 they gave recursive enumerable. So context sensitive is also correct. So we are challenging for that. Yes, option 3 and option 4 both accept it. So what I am doing here, option 4. I am clicking on option 4. Now I will do the next one. So here the next question is this, that is this question ID. I think I have to upload question 759. So sort 759, we are going to choose none of this because any of the option are not available. This question should be dropped. So for 759 I am choosing none of this. Any of the question is not correct. So that's why none of this means everyone will get the marks. Those who attempt this question, everyone will get the marks for this because the answer is coming 12, which is not available in any option. So that's why I am choosing none of this here. After that the question ID is why I am not able to copy this one, 770 actually this one is, so I am writing here 770. Yes, this is the question ID 23770. So for this one also I am going to choose option 4 because it should be dropped. Any of the option is not correct. Correct answer should be ADB. This is not there. So I am going to choose none of this. Everyone will get the marks for this question 770. I am going to choose again none of this. Let me check once. Yes, see that already 3 question I challenge. You can see that 3 questions is showing here, right? So 759, after that I did 770. Now I will do this one, that is 793. So 793. For this question, I am going to choose the third option. Officially, they gave option 4 is correct, but this question option 3 should be correct. For this question only, those who mark option 4 now, they got the marks. But if they accept the challenge, then you will get -2 for this question, and those who mark the correct answer, that is option 3, they will get it. Either they will accept it, means they will change the option 3, or they can drop also, because actually correct answer should be B, C, D, which is not available. But according to correct whatever option is given, so B, C should be correct. So most preferable one I am choosing, that is option 3. So those who mark option 3, they will get +2. Those who mark option 4, they will get here minus. So it is option 3 I am choosing for 793. Option 3. Yes. Now the last one is this one. This one also should be dropped. That is 801. Because here answer should be 2/13 for the option B is with this, so it is actually wrong. So as it is wrong, there is no option will match, so they should drop this question. So we are going to choose the none of this for 801. So these all the 5 questions now we challenge. See that question number 801, which is choose none of this. Question number 793, we choose option 3. Then question number here 770, as you can see that 770, that we choose none of this again, because it will be dropped. Now question number 759. Question number 759, we choose again none of this, because it should be also dropped. And for this question we choose the option 4 also, both. This option 4 we choose. So option 3, 728. 728. See that we choose option fourth option also. Now what I have to do, now I have to claim the answer list and upload the document. Yes, so this is the file we have created. 728 one question, 759 second, third 770, fourth 793, fifth one, this is 780. Here I am making it black color. Now I will export this. I hope it is correct. 728, 759. Three, 4, 5. Yes, all these 5 questions are there. Now I will export as PDF all challenge together. So 5 PDF is ready. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All this 5 PDF I am going to upload now from here. All challenge together, just now we have created this file. So you can click on this. Yes, I have done this one. So now I have to submit here. 772. Now I'm going to submit. Durga in Bengali, Durgati Nashini. चलो दुक्का दुक्का.